A very good morning to you from Fullbrook Avenue here in Spencer's Wood. I'm here to give you a tour of number 125. That's the house behind me. So what we have here is a 3-storey townhouse, pretty much like a brand new house inside, immaculate condition and with no onward chain. Just before I show you inside, I'm just going to move the camera to one side. As you can see, we have an archway there. That takes you into the allocated parking for this property. So here we are inside the entrance hall. As you can see, the staircase immediately in front of me, taking you to the first floor. I'm just going to step forward there and just turn around and give you an idea of the actual entrance door. There you go, that's the main front door to the property. So the design is such that we have a kitchen at the front. Let's show you the kitchen. Like I mentioned a moment ago, very much like a brand new house inside this, absolutely immaculate. You can see we have base units there with the inset sink. The boiler for this property sits in the cupboard in the corner. Just going to spin round. Plenty of high level units, work surfaces, and then as you can see we've got a built-in oven with 4-ringed gas hob and also the hood above. And then to the right hand side, this tall cupboard, well, that actually is a fridge freezer. One thing I did miss, which I'm just going to swing back to, here we have an integrated dishwasher. And then the wash machine for this property is actually located under the sink just here. Just turning full circle, there we have the front aspect window, radiator in the corner, space for breakfast table and chairs. And just pointing upwards, we've got nice spotlights, extractor fan. All in all, very smart kitchen to start the tour of this property. Okay, back in the entrance hall, just moving down here to my left hand side, we have the downstairs WC. Let's just switch a light on for you. There you go, quite wide, pedestal wash basin on the right hand side, partly tiled walls. And then back into the entrance hall, moving forward here, this is the lounge at the back. Full width of the house, with the French doors opening onto the garden, as you can see. Always difficult to make an empty house look interesting, so bear with me. Hopefully you can appreciate the size of the room with this the camera. Just going to point out the view we've got out the back. The garden, reasonable size actually for one of these properties, quite a good length. The shed at the end, as you can see. Mainly laid to lawn, flower beds and all fenced in. Okay, so one more view of the lounge from a slightly different angle. And I'll now take you back into the entrance hall, up the stairs and onto the first floor landing. We're on the first floor landing now. As you can see, we've got a front aspect window. There's the staircase, which I've just come up from the ground floor. And just moving down the landing here and turning around, you'll see we have the additional staircase taking you to the second floor, which is where the master bedroom is. So first of all, this room at the back, we have a Juliet balcony with the French doors opening there. Another window, radiator beneath. This is the full width of the property, so again, a really good size. So this would, strictly speaking, be bedroom 2. So very large bedroom 2. Just back onto the landing, we have a family bathroom just here. Again, immaculate, just like a brand new property. Mirror on the wall there, partly tiled, and we have a shower over the bath. And then, last but not least on this landing, bedroom 3, which actually is a fairly good size for a bedroom 3. Bedroom 3s are often box rooms, but not here. This is a pretty decent size. It's a front aspect window there with the radiator. So that's 2 bedrooms, and let's now make our way upstairs and onto the landing. Just whilst I'm walking up, just mention to you that we're at Fullbrook Avenue. It's very much on the edge of Spencer's Wood, but just a short distance from the main village centre. where you'll find shops, a chemist, bakers, post office, a couple of little mini markets, plenty of facilities, and of course the M4 is literally 5 minutes drive away, junction 11. So we're on the second floor. This is the master bedroom. Let's just pop a couple of lights on. So that's where the double bed would pretty much sit, I think, in that recess there. Front aspect, I'm just going to step here and turn around because whilst they're freestanding, these are included in the sale of the property. Pretty big built-in wardrobes, there's a chest of drawers there. And then towards the other end, more like a dressing area with a skylight window. But on my left-hand side, it's the ensuite. So let's just focus to my right. There's the pedestal wash basin, the low-level WC. Spinning round, let me step in. This is a really good sized shower. Double sized, I think, to the normal, with folding glass doors. So super big shower for the ensuite to the master bedroom. And one thing I missed as I came up on the landing just there, there's a cupboard on the landing, very deep, over 4 foot deep, so big storage space. So that just about brings us to the end of the tour of number 125 Fullbrook Avenue. If you'd like to know more details, please give us a call. My name is Gary, and if you'd like to take a viewing, then it's the same telephone number that can be found on our website. Thanks for watching.